Well, folks, figured we'll do another tool review. Kind of handy to have. You don't necessarily need it, but they're handy. Makes life a little simpler. We'll show it to you here. Hopefully you can make everything out, make out the number, and so on and so forth. Relay bypass. Yeah, real common, sizes. Stick it in. My gosh, is that the right way? I don't know. Anyways, just a little toggle switch. Got your on and your off. Just a little loop. Put your amp meter on it. See if the motor's failed or going bad. Well, you can put a scope on it too if you want. Yeah, you don't necessarily need them. You could bypass them anyways, doing just a piece of wire and stuff. But these are real simple. You slap it in. Hey, hit the switch. You can check the circuit that way. Makes life real simple. I guess electrical work sucks most of the time, but it makes it nice. There's a lot of other stuff out there too like that, and I think the price is real reasonable. I think it's under $100, but like I said, check around, see where you can buy it at the best price. Just make it real handy. I've used them quite a lot, mainly fuel pumps, stuff like that. Now, pump don't kick on. Well, usually it's the pump, but sometimes I've had it where it was just damn corroded connections all. Well, hey, get back there and to check it out. Be glad you had it and you didn't have to rip the damn thing out. So hopefully we find you in good health. Here, it's rainy, damp, cool. Yeah, not too bad in the shop right now. Hell, I think hell, about 45 degrees. Hell, that ain't bad. Shit, that's, well, sweatshirt weather. Gonna say t-shirt weather, but a little chilly for that. So anyhow, figured I'd just drop on real quick, show you what that is. Maybe it might help you out, maybe it won't. So like I say, be charitable to one another. Don't be a problem. Don't gossip. Don't cause trouble. It ain't worth it, man. There's enough stuff going on. Bigger problems out there than making some petty little whatever. Well, hopefully, see you next time. Find you in good health. Y'all take care now.